A special form of multiplication with polynomials is when we're multiplying two binomials together. We can use something called FOIL. Okay? F-O-I-L. For FOIL, this stands for F stands for first, O stands for our outers, I stands for our inners, and L stands for our last. So looking at multiplying two binomials, meaning that each of them have two terms, I can multiply the first of each of those binomials together. Then I can multiply the outers together, followed by the inners, and then the lasts. So if I multiply my firsts together, it will be x times x. Multiply my outers would be x times 4. Multiply my inners, I've got 3 times x. And then multiply my lasts, 3 times 4. Okay, let's simplify this. So I get x times x is x squared, plus x times 4 is 4x, plus 3 times x, which is 3x, plus 3 times 4, which is 12. Now looking at this, we're going to be able to simplify by combining that 4x and positive 3x. So I get x squared plus 7x plus 12. Okay, let's look at another example here. I have 3b plus 7 times 2b minus 5. So let's first look at what we're multiplying together. We've got our firsts, then we've got our outers, followed by our inners, and then our lasts. So my firsts are 3b times 2b. My outers are 3b times that minus 5. 3b and negative 5. My inners are 7 and 2b. And then my lasts are 7 and negative 5. Let's simplify from here. 3b times 2b is 6b squared. 3b times negative 5 will give us negative 15b. 7 times 2 is 14b. And then 7 times negative 5 is going to be negative 35. Okay, let's simplify from here. I get 6b squared. Combine that negative 15b and positive 14b will give me negative 1b. And then that plus a negative 35 is the same as saying minus 35. And there's one more special case when multiplying binomials, that 2x minus 1 and the entire thing squared. Okay, now what we're going to do here is we're going to rewrite this as 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. Once it's rewritten like this, we're going to go through and FOIL it just like normal. My firsts, my outers, my inners, and then my lasts. So when I multiply my firsts together, I get 2x times 2x, which is 4x squared. Then I've got my outers, my 2x times minus 1, which is negative 2x. My inners, that minus 1 times 2x is negative 2x. And then my lasts, that minus 1 times minus 1 is a positive 1. Combine my like terms, negative 2x minus 2x will leave me with minus 4x. Nothing else in this is going to be able to combine because nothing else has the same like terms.